Rain. We're boarding now and the boat. We're going in a boat riding, boat cruising. Hello! Say hello to Auntie Mina. Ang lolo niya si Allan, no? Here we are. And that's Justine. And he's already 14. And I'm imagining he's still like really just 7-6 years old. Binata na. Si Gabay, tsaka si Tutoy. We call it Tutoy. So here we are. That's the whole family. Here we are. We're waiting to board the boat. Say hello to everyone. So, yeah. Alis nyo yung mga mask nyo. That's rain. And anong pangalan, nakalimutan ko? Athena. Athena. That's Athena. Say hi. That's rain. It's got a beautiful eyeglass. Yeah, that's Allan. And that's 2 teenagers. That's Dada. That's Justine. There you go. Mga binata na. And I'm imagining there is still small, but now they're already grown up. And that's the boat. There's a speedboat over there, and that's the boat I think we're going in, or probably we're next. And that's the London Eye. Yes, and we're ready to board. See you guys later.